Guys, panibagong araw, panibagong gabi, panibagong vlog. Tinuturuan ko po si Brian magluto ng pansit. So, para mawala man ako dito sa mundo, alam nila lutuin yung aking niluluto dahil yan po yung gusto nilang kainin. So, ngayon po, dahil si Brian nagtatrabaho po sa restaurant, ay akin pong tinuturuan kung paano magluto. So, ito po, kasi lagi siyang pumupunta dito na wala po akong pagkain. Kaya nagtuturuan ko po na magluto ng pansit, okay? So, pumunta dito si Brian. Ito na po yung noodles, inusok na po natin dito sa tubig kahit na hindi masyado. Tapos ito po pinapa-stir fry. That's enough, Nak. That's enough. You take that one out and put it right here. And be careful, okay? Make sure you use two pots. It's hot, okay?
Alright, give me that. Don't want to drop it. Or break the spoon.
Okay. And now you're gonna saute the chicken, okay? Okay, that's enough. You put the chicken, so dalawang burner po.
More oil?
Yes, please. So, dalawang burner po ginamit kasi malaki pala yung kawali na nabili ko. So, malaking kawali po yung aking nabili kaya ginamitan namin ng dalawang burner yung pagluluto ng pansit. So, yung chicken po, nakamarinate na po yan. Mayroon na po yung salt. Hindi ko lang nilagyan ng paper. Pero nakamarinate na po yan. May ano na po yan. So, yan po. So, kasi ito, madali po siyang turuan kasi nagtatrabaho po siya sa restaurant. Yan. Kulang po yung tuturo sa kanya.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Hindi naman, that's not tiplon. That's why use this one.
The chicken is different.
Since we don't have a measuring cup, so use 4 tablespoons of this, okay? Soy sauce. But brown the chicken, Nak. Brown the chicken. And then put now the soy sauce. Put soy sauce now.
4?
4 tablespoons soy sauce. And then two tablespoons of the small
Pepper?
no, the Nor chicken. Two of those. And then, after that, you put the hot water na. Always use hot water when you cook, okay? So, yung gulay guys, naka-stir fry na yung gulay. Hindi po, yan lang po, simple lang po yung luto kasi yan po yung kasanayan nila. Request po nila yan noon. Okay. See? Because you know when you are cooking, that's the reason why I want you to use hot water, so it's continue boiling. So now this one, you're gonna break it.
Break it.
Break it. Yeah, break it. Break the
How?
noodles. Separated it. You know, just if not, it's okay because you're gonna go like
Yeah, 3 times.
It's okay na. You just now put some black pepper. Taste it first if that's the taste is already okay. Use your spoon na. If it is not enough, if it is not enough the taste, you need to add more soy sauce or chicken bouillon.
Really hot. Too hot?
Add more soy sauce na.
Like,
Two more tablespoon. But fill up the tablespoon, not only half. That's why. Okay. And one more of the chicken bouillon, because that's a lot. That's enough. And then, and now you're gonna put this one now, the noodles. Put the noodles in. Don't cook the plastic, okay? Just throw the water away. So now, when you cook this one, I want you to break and use this two. That one doesn't work now. You're gonna break this two because be careful, huh? Maganda din pala yung pot ko na nabili guys. Kasi yung kawali na yan, mas maganda pala na nabili ko. Pampansitan lang po yan kaysa kawali ng Pilipino na kawali. Kasi yung Pilipinong kawali malaki din, di ba? Dalawang partner din yung gagamitin mo. At least yan flat. Hindi siya tatakbo. Lower your fire na. You wanna put some sutanghon in there?
what's that?
This one?
What is it for?
You can mix a pancit, mix that one.
Yeah.
Here. You put, just put all of those.
Noodles?
Yeah, that's a noodles. Remember?
Oh, sorry. My brain started going down. All of it or?
You can put it all if you want. If you don't want to put it all, just put how many pieces in there?
What? 5.
You can put 3. I'm gonna cook some soup on the other one. Put it back. And then next time you're coming here, if you're coming here on Friday, I want you to, I'll teach you how to make some soup, okay? So that way you learn. And I told Kevin already. I told Kevin to come here also sometimes so we can make some, you know, we can cook, especially lumpia because he likes lumpia.
I took one of the packs to eat.
Huh?
I ate one of the packs at work. But last time I saved it. I'll come make some more though.
How do you, no wonder I was looking for the lumpia.
I did a pan of, I took some oil and I cooked it.
I need one pack of those lumpia for Saturday or Monday because I'm gonna see my case manager, okay?
Okay.
And
I was hungry.
that's okay. Did you cook it at work?
Cooked at work.
And everybody eat?
I did, yeah.
They
that
like
okay?
it?
'Cause I was thinking I might start trying to sell them at work. Because there's a lot of Asian people on the B Street.
Mm-hmm.
I work right there on B Street by Jeffries. There's a lot of Asian people. I might start getting my license so I can sell food outside. It's gonna be like the profit's like you tell it $2 a piece. Its profit would be about
Well, you already know how to make lumpia, to wrap lumpia, okay? So,
you have $240 for $240 by profit, something like that.
maybe add more pepper now.
I didn't add any.
Put pepper now. You taste it, okay? If there still need some salt and pepper, you can still add a little bit. We had some salt inside the cabinet, okay? And now you're gonna add this pasta now.
I'm gonna mix it up.
You know what? Because that one, you need a scissor there. Cut the noodles. The vermicelli noodles.
So just like this?
Mm-hmm. Kasi yan, mahilig siya yan sa pansit, guys. Ayan ang paborito niyang pagkain, pansit. Yung isa naman, Kevin, kalderita naman yung kanyang paborito, yun na naman yung pinapaluto. Kaya tuturuan ko po sila magluto para alam nila lutuin ang Filipino food, hindi lang yung American food. Siyempre, nanay nila, Filipino. Kaya, yan. So, you need to put the vegetables now, okay? Because the vegetable is not cooked yet. So that way, you can mix it all together. And you're gonna wash it, okay? When you finish eating or everything, you need to wash. Iba talaga yung iba talaga yung nagtatrabaho ng restaurant, ano? Tignan mo. Yung kita, naghihirap tayo magluto, mag ano-ano ng sandok. Yung kanya, spatula. Yung kanya, tong ginagamit, guys. Tignan mo. Iba tayo, iba yung mga ano. Last time po na nagluto kami, nagawa kami ng lumpia, ayaw kong gumawa. Siya yung nagrarap, ako lang yung naghihiwalay, siya yung pinatimpla ko, siya lahat ng gumawa, guys. Ako nagagay lang po ako sa kanya. So kaya ngayon, dahil mayroon na tayong, bago man ako mawala ng apartment uli, at least alam na niyang lutuin. Pwede na
What do I do
siyang,
now? Just keep tossing it?
ha?
Keep tossing it or what?
Yeah, because you make sure that there's no more water on it. Because I don't think that one is still cooked. Not cooked yet, not. Because if you're gonna stop turning over, you're gonna get burned inside. Make sure it's already dry, okay? Inside, no more water inside the pot.
No more water.
Get 5 more minutes. So that way the vegetable will cook. Because you use it in half cook, okay? Lower your fire now. So every time you coming here, you gonna let me know. If you wanna cook something, then we can get something. Right now, if you want sinigang, I already have meat, but I need some radish, big radish and ikot-ikot na yung pancit. I see the noodles na. May I see it? May I see the inside? There's still water na. Okay. Make sure it's the inside there are dry. But it's already cooked. Let's see. Okay.
Done?
Mm-hmm.
Or you want to put it on top?
No. Just leave it there. Turn it up your fire and you can go and eat.
Oh, that was fast. Why does it always take so long?
Huh?
I feel like you
Turn
just,
up the fan.
That didn't even take that long.
I know.
It used to take so long when we were younger.
Yeah, it's cooked.
Oh, sorry, you want some?
No, I am done eating. There's a plate
Thank you,
inside
Mom.
there. You're
I gotta
welcome.
write
You're not.
down, next time I come over, I need to write down everything.
Yeah.
Not right now, too tired. My back.
Mm-hmm. Because you can do whatever, Who knows? This is what you're gonna do. Every time you're gonna come here, you need to make sure there's a pot. Oh,
What?
okay. Now she's gonna eat the pancit that he cooked. Chicken lang po yung nilagay ko, guys. Hindi ko pwedeng lagyan ng shrimp kasi nagkakaroon ng allergy reaction. Kaya at saka hindi po sila ayaw nila yung string beans na ilagay dyan sa pancit. Gusto lang nila yung carrots at saka cabbage, chicken, noodles or pork. Yan lang po yung gusto nilang ilagay. Simple lang yan sila. Minsan nga yung iba, yung asawa ng pinsan ko, ayaw ng ayaw ng gulay. Kaya noodles lang yun din yung kanya. So, dahil teacher ang nanay, tapos ayaw ko na kasi pag kumain pag gabi na guys.
I'll clean up in a minute.
Clean it up later, okay?
You know, video, picture?
Huh?
Picture the food.
Yeah. So that's the guys, that's the one na. So shoot out po, tapos na po magluto si Brian ng pansit. Siya na po, ito po yung anak ko pong nagtatrabaho sa restaurant at tinuturuan. Madali po siyang turuan kasi nagtatrabaho po siya sa restaurant. Kaya yan. Madali po siyang turuan, guys. So, good? So, next time, you're gonna write it down. Okay? And I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna bring you to the Filipino store. So, that way you know what kind of noodles that you're gonna buy when you make some pancit. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Because there are so many noodles that you can use for pancit. There are so many noodles that you're gonna use for different kind of cooking. Okay? Okay, so next time you're gonna come here, make sure that you are not working. You're gonna come here like Friday because that's mommy, it's off. And we can go to the grocery, okay? Thank you. So the lid of the lid is in the refrigerator, but we cannot put that one in hot in the refrigerator because you know why?
Is it bad?
It's gonna be spoiled.
Okay. I'll wait till it cools off.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mom.
And there's a big Tupperware in the middle drawer, okay? Okay na. Thank you. Enjoy the pancit. And mommy will eat tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Nandito
Hello.
na po kami. Ito na po yung tinuturuan ko ngayon magluto. Next time is my other son. I'm gonna teach him how to cook. Thank you, guys. Now, as I have time to teach them how to cook.
This is so good. This is so
Before, I never teach them how to cook. I'm only cooking for them. Since I'm already getting younger, I make sure that they need to learn how to cook by their own because you don't know what's gonna happen to us, right? At least when they have a children, when they gonna have their own family, they're gonna talk about their grandma, and this is the grandma's recipe. So then they can teach them how to cook also Filipino food. Believe me, guys, my kid doesn't eat lumpia in the store that you need to buy. They always eat lumpia from the scratch, from my own recipe. Different cooking. Just because he's allergy, that's why I don't put some I don't put any shrimp on it. Not anymore, even a lumpia, no more shrimp. So, that's it, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Shoot out po. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. Ito na po. Ang maming nagmamahal ng anak. Tinuturuan kung paano magluto para kung sakalit wala na tayo dito sa mundo, alam na nila lutuin ang paborito nilang pagkain na araw-araw nilang kinakain na galing sa aking puso. And thank you. Shoot out. Please like and share my video. Thank you so much, mga minamahal kong subscribers, silent viewers, sa mga W's, kaibigan matindi, at sa aking mga minamahal na mga members, super chatter, nag-isang sponsor. Thank you and I love you guys. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I love you and good night. Bye-bye po.